guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I got in this month's Ipsy bag. Now, hopefully the products are going to be super amazing to just kind of make up for the lack of videos that I've posted because I haven't done an Ipsy Unbagging video since October. So hopefully there's some amazing things in here. But before we get started, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the world to me. And let's go ahead and see what we got. So at first glance, the bag doesn't really scream January to me. It's more of like maybe a March bag, like going into spring, since it's blue and striped with pink, but you know, I'm not judging. So let's see. It smells very strong, whatever is in here. And yes, so the first thing in the bag is a foundation brush by the brand BB. And I've been recently using brushes to apply my foundation, so this is going to come in handy. I don't use a flat brush, I use a stippling brush, but I'm super excited to try this one out. And it's super soft and firm, so I think it's going to apply very, very nicely. So I'm excited about this, and you can never have too many brushes. And then the next thing in here is from the brand skin&co. Skin&co. And this is a face gommage. Is that how you say it? Gommage? Gommage. And basically it's just a micro exfoliating truffle face gommage. And this is the culprit. This is what smells so good. Yeah, love that. Gonna use that. Plus Skin&Co is a really good brand, and I'm excited to use this gommage. Next thing in the bag is a teensy little sample of the Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I can say, oh wow, you can see through this bottle and the foundation starts right here. So that's kind of sad that you pretty much just get one use out of there and not like two, because all this is, you know, it's like a chip bag. You pay for air. But at least you can get at least one use out of here. I think, actually, no, the product is about right here, in here. So that is kind of disappointing, but it's whatever. Thank you, Ipsy, for the one-time use thing, but it's in the shade Light Natural, so this is gonna probably match my skin tone very well. It's got a safety seal, and I've never tried this foundation, and I've heard like a million mixed reviews on it, that it's like kind of oily, kind of drying, and it like separates only after like an hour or so, but I think it'll match good enough. It's kind of a little too dark, but at least it's just a sample size that I only get to use one time, right guys? The next thing in here is from the brand Naked Cosmetics. This is a heavy metal, I guess, eyeshadow? I assume it's an eyeshadow. How do you open this? Oh, there's plastic around it. Okay. At least it's safe. Oh god, it's what it... Okay, we're just gonna... Anyways, so here we have it, and let's go ahead and look at what is inside. Okay. I can definitely say there's not a lot of product in here. Not a lot at all. And it looks very messy. And I think this is like a pigment or something where you have to like add like a liquid something, some kind of spray where you mix it around. I don't think I'm going to ever use this. Let's go ahead and like take some from the cap and just kind of swatch this color, which I just don't want to make a mess. It's like such a big container for hardly anything. I mean, it's a pretty color, but I'm never going to use this. Yeah, kind of disappointed in that. God, this bag kind of sucks. And there's one more product in the bag, and this is a lip gloss by the brand Fluid. Never heard of it. It's blue, which is kind of weird. There's a little safety seal on here, so that's good. It definitely feels really thick in the tube. Okay. And it smells like something else that I had just recently got from Ipsy. I don't know what though, but this is kind of weird. I don't know how I feel about it. Feels kind of thick. It feels sticky already just swatching it. So, I mean, it might be a good lip gloss. I don't really want to put it on my lips. I don't really think it has a blue tint to it either. It's just kind of shiny clear. Maybe like, no, there's no tint to that. I don't know. This bag kind of sucks. I did email them yesterday about getting on the wait list for the Glam Bag Plus because I want it and I don't want to wait to be on the waiting list. And they emailed me back and they said that I would be in the next group of people that they add to the wait list. So hopefully I'll start getting that soon because I'm kind of not loving these Ipsy bags. So let's review this bag. We first got this foundation brush, the face gommage, the Tarte Amazonian Clay barely even halfway full sample of foundation, this really bad Naked Cosmetics stuff, and this clear lip gloss. And did I mention that I don't like lip gloss really? Kind of, but not really. If I have to rate this bag, I give it a literal 3, which is I think the lowest I've ever rated an Ipsy bag before. Well, this bag sucks. Plus, the bag doesn't even go with the month. This is like a spring bag, which, again, I'm not complaining, but it's just, this bag sucks, you guys. I kind of wish that I reviewed the bags from the last 2 months because those were actually pretty good. But yeah, this bag stinks. Well, anyways, guys, that is it for the Ipsy Unbagging. I'm sorry it was so disappointing. I'm pretty disappointed too, so at least we're on the same page. But if you guys somewhat enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!